Welcome to my room. Oh, my hair, it's a mess. One sec. Okay, I fixed it. But today, we are cleaning my room. Here is an overall view. It is really messy. So, sorry about the background noise, by the way. Okay, so I think the overall mess is just probably clothes. So first I'm going to gather all my clothes in a pile, and we can see if they're dirty or clean. Most of them dirty. So let's make a pile of clothing. I'm actually going to pause, and the pile of clothing you will see will be in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I was wrong. Sorry about Eva, but here is my whole room so far. I made a pile of clothes. I do actually have a little, I don't see if you see that bin right there, or right there. But that bin is just some clean clothes that I do need to organize. So first of all, let me take the dirty clothes out of the hamper, and I can put away the clean clothes, and then we will start on some non-clothing items. Yeah, I asked Brittany to clean her stuff the other day, and she freaked out, and now I need to clean up her stuff. So, yeah, I apologize for that. But so now that I need to still start the clean clothes, but you know what's really bothering me is that the stuffed animal thing. You can see there's only a little bit of stuffed animals and they're not even organized. Sorry about this dress. I need to try this on because I need to go use it for something soon, but you know, you may think this is a lot of stuffed animals, but you know what's really bothering me, and you can see this if you would stand up, but guys, be quiet, I'm making a YouTube video. Sorry about that, but if there's some animals that fell underneath it, so not so great. Once I have that figured out, I'll see you guys then. Wow, I found Eva's sock underneath that. I'm trying to organize it so it looks cute. Sorry about that noise. Okay, this is kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to make it look. I found a Skittle. Thank you. But I'm just trying to make it look somewhat neat, somewhat cute. Because I have tons of stuffed animals. A few, I don't know. Most of the time, I used to just hide my stuffed animals in my closet. But I'm trying to be more neat this year. So, we're going to try and make this work. Somehow. Because, of course, I'm not a professional organizer or whatever. So, yeah. Brinley's sock. One sec, let me throw these socks in the hamper. Finished. I might do some of my YouTube videos back here. It's actually a cute area. Well, not like where I'm sitting right now. Like, hey guys, maybe just sitting on my beanbag. Who knows? I am also getting a desk. It used to be my grandma's, but you know, and I might be getting it if nobody else in the family wants it, because I really want a desk. And if you see the table in my room, I use this all the time. I use it at my old house. I don't know if you can see it. But that little table back there, that's literally for 3-year-olds. No joke. So, kind of want a normal desk. So, yeah. Yeah, okay, that's just to get started. I'll continue organizing this, and I'll see you in a minute. And Gianna, my best friend, if you're watching this, he's safe and sound. Don't worry. I never forgot about him. He says hi, by the way. So, yeah. You might be totally confused. if you don't know me in real life. So, yeah. Also, guys, part of this video is because right now I'm obsessing over the animal. Well, also, I really want a dog, but I'm also obsessing over another animal. Well, I'm not exactly obsessing, but I just like this animal. Oops. I want to make my room the themed. I don't know if I'm going to get to it. Probably not, because it's like obnoxious pink color, but flamingos. Hi. So yeah, I don't know. Probably not. I have a flamingo tape dispenser. I have this flamingo thing. Has the same birthday as me. So if you look at it, I don't know if you can see it that well. It might be a little not so good of quality, but it says Gilda. I like to tell jokes and act really silly. I'm funnier than my brother Billy. My birthday is February 26th. It may be a little hard to see that, but yeah. Might have just been a waste of time, but oh well. So, bye. Okay, I need to watch Eva for a little bit now. But, Brindley, please! Sorry. So, I need to watch my little sister now because my mom has to go pick up something. Hi. Hi. You can see her teeth. I don't know if you can see it on the... No. Eva, I don't know. No. Yeah. No. Oh, sassy. See, I'll try to record with her in here. I don't know if I can. I might need to pause until my mom gets back to watch her because you guys might have to go in this really bad view. So, well, I'm actually done with this, but now I need to organize my clothes, put them in drawers. So, I will see you guys after I do that because I just don't want to film it. It will be too much. So, see you guys. And it's already been 7 minutes. Okay, fine. You guys can stay with us because I do have a limited time and I might need to do part 2 of cleaning my room. And that might be a little boring. So, I'll just pause. Okay, so I decided to do part 2, so stay tuned for part 2. Maybe posted tomorrow or today, probably today again, so yeah, won't film the part 2. This will probably be premiere. So, stay tuned for another episode. Bye!